Hi, I'm Bobby, and today I'm going to show you how to build the Kallax Shelf Unit from IKEA. So let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so what you're going to need for the first step is a smaller rectangle here that has 6 holes in it, and the other side has 4 holes. You're going to want to make sure the side that has 4 holes is facing you. And you're going to grab the bigger rectangle, one of the two, and then you're going to want to have the part with all the holes here on its side facing the inside like that. As you can see on the other side, or maybe not, on the other side here, there are no holes. You're going to want to make sure the side with the holes is facing the inside. Then for the next step, you're going to want to line these two up here and then screw it in with your bigger screws. Alright, so next you're going to want to grab 4 dowels, and you're going to want to grab this white piece here that looks like a square that also has 4 holes, 2 on each side. And you're going to want to put the dowels in, 2 on each side, just like this here. And then right after you finish putting these in right here, you're going to put them into the middle of your shelf on the smaller piece right here on these 2 holes. And push it till it's nice and snug. And remember this because we're going to have to do this a couple more times. Alright, so next you're going to want to grab 4 dowels again. And you're going to want to grab this last, one of these last 3 shelves here. And on the shorter ends, like this ends that are thinner, there are 2 holes on each side. You're going to want to put 4 dowels in, 1 in each hole, just like this. And then right after you put all the dowels in here, hold on a second, we're gonna put it in as our shelf piece, just like this. And then as you can see, there's 2 holes here on both sides. It doesn't really matter there. So you're gonna wanna try and put these parts where these dowels are into the 2 holes that are in here first, and then once you get close enough, the 2 dowels that we put in here earlier are going to fit into these 2 holes just like that, and that's how your first shelf is going to be made. Alright, so next you're going to want to grab another one of these square dividers here. This time you're only going to need 2 dowels here. You're going to put them in on one side, and this is because, as you can see already, there's 2 dowels sticking out from the previous one. So that means you're only going to need to put, again, 2 in. And then you're just going to basically just repeat this step over and over again. So you're going to do this, and you're going to place this other shelf in. And you're going to do this again, then place the other shelf in. See when it's done. Alright, so next you're going to grab your last big piece like this. And you're going to put it on the one side here, and then you see there's all the little holes here. They should all line up perfectly with the dowels we put in earlier. You see that saved us some time by doing it earlier. And so now you're just going to go, you're going to hit it in here. Don't rush, take your time. This isn't supposed to go too quick here. And then just going to want to give it a little bit of a light tap, just like this. Make it nice and snug. Alright, so next you're going to want to grab 2 of the longer screws. We already did this, we're just screwing this side shelf part into the bottom part. So take your time, see when it's done. Alright, so next you're going to want to find this last top bookshelf piece here, and you're going to want to put it in right on top of the dowels here. You're going to want to bang it in so fits nice and snug. Then you're going to want to grab the last 4 screws, and you're going to want to screw it into the last 4 holes right here. Alright, so now that your shelf is flipped right side up here, there are a couple other parts there. That is for if you want to screw it into your wall. I have another video called how to insert a closet rod. It's basically the same concept of putting it into a drywall surface. So go check out that video if you want to screw it in. But yeah, that's it now. You're all done. Like if this video was helpful to you. And if you want, consider subscribing.